Hello and welcome to Outdoors at the Motor House, because we're outside. Can't be inside right now where it's a little warmer, but the weather is cool but not too cool. It's dry, which is really good for doing this. And if anybody hasn't recognized, I am sandblasting the chassis. So sorry about so let's see. Sorry, something came in. A little distracted. But I am sandblasting the chassis, and I have two of these units, depending what I want to use in it. I'm blasting at 40 psi. Don't want to be too aggressive with it. That seems to be doing a very good job, and it's a little slower. And in the, we'll say, tough spots, it takes a little bit more time to get it off. But it is working, and that's I don't want to get too much pressure on it, be too aggressive with the chassis, but it is working. So what I am using, I'm using a very fine garnet sand, maybe slag, some people refer to it as, but it's a very fine, it's very fine. So only put half a bag through so far, just to kind of gauge how many bags I'll need to get the whole chassis done. But the good thing is it's dry, and I can roll this back in to the garage and then bring it back out and do more as time permits. So that is the update right now for what I'm doing, and it is very dry. And that also leads to static electricity. So if you get too close to the metal as your media blasting, you'll get a static electric shock in your hands. Or if you get your body too close to the chassis, you get it on your hip. So that does happen. I found in my blast cabinet, a lot of static bleeds up. A lot of static is generated, sorry. And I have to put grounding wires to a whole bunch of things to equalize and bond everything so I don't get zapped as much. So, okay, that's the update. Time for more progress. The motor house is now starting to become beachfront property. You see all the sand? Well, that is inevitable when you're sandblasting outside. So, you get a beach. And this is only 2 bags. So I think I might need 5 more bags to finish it. But in general, it is doing a very good job. I still have to rotate the chassis a couple of times and take care of some things. There are still the broken studs to get out of there. Let's see. Yeah. But the thin metal is coming out real well, not doing any damages to it, which was my concern. Still, we'll say a little bit of pitting there. Sorry for the light, because we're outside and the sun is not in the right place. But let's look at the rusted area, how it turned out. So you can see a lot of the voids from the rust. Sandblasting does a really good job of cleaning things up. It's only really one bad area. Let's see if it comes out well. So if anyway, I still have to get a little bit more in here, which when I turn it on side, that'll work out to get in there pretty good. And for anyone who's interested, I'm using an 1/8 inch nozzle in the media blaster, which equates to about a 15 CFM, cubic feet per minute, and that's a good pairing with my air compressor. So I don't overtax the air compressor, and I don't run out of air, and it works pretty good for, I say, for a good balance for what I'm doing. I'm going to have to get more media, because I only got 2 bags to see how far that would take me. So that is, I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for how this turns out.